I guess we're using this glass pendant light for kitchen with a farmhouse design, which I quite like actually, and for living purposes. So let's take it out of the package. Comes very well protected with foam, bubble wrap all over the place. Wow, look at this. It looks really, really nice. This is the glass pendant. I'm gonna lay it back so it doesn't break or anything. In this bubble wrap, we've got this is a line bolt, the cables. So you take this cap off, put the glass pendant in and support it. This here is the okay, nice. This is the ceiling base. As you can see, it has this knob, so you can set your pendant light in an angled roof or ceiling where you need it, so it doesn't bother you. It's a really nice section. Steps. You just put this on, connect it. Nice. And lastly, in here has tubes. It's all stainless steel, which is really nice. You know, you can match your kitchen, anything you need. They're very, very nice. Has a good amount of weight, which I like. Let's go install it. It seems like an easy installation, so I will assemble it first. Okay guys, as you can see, it's all ready. It's set. It looks really, really nice. As I said, you can adjust the height of the lamp and you can set it in different positions depending on your if it's in high or anything. And let's turn it on. You can see it looks really, really nice. The farmhouse design is amazing, and the stainless steel finish gives it a modern look, which is really, really nice. And it's amazing. I like it a lot, and I would recommend it. As you've seen, it's easy to install it, doesn't take that much, it's quick, easy. There's no reason why I won't recommend it. So, see you!